Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you all some of the best gift sets that I saw on the Sephora app. Before we begin with today's video, I'd love to welcome everybody who has recently subscribed to my channel. Welcome. My name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I will link those down below for you. And if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, be sure to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there is a brand new upload. So we are chatting best gift sets. Now, these are things that maybe I've used before that I would recommend for the skincare lover, maybe your closest friends or family members, or maybe you. Skincare holiday sets often contain 1 to 2 full-size units per set, paired with perhaps a cleanser, moisturizer, or lip product, or sometimes they'll also come in a cute bag. Holiday skincare sets make great gifts, or oftentimes are the very best way to try a skincare range that you've been dying to try, or that you've had your eye on for the entire year. So here are some holiday skincare sets that I would recommend. The first of which I don't own, is the Murad Look on the Bright Side skincare set. Now, I do excuse my broken iPhone, but this is a $117 value, which was marked at $80, but is now $56 on the Sephora app. Now, I have hearted this because I personally love this vitamin C serum, and I'm on my 2nd unit, so I may just add to cart and call it a day. This kit includes an Essential C cleanser and the Essential C Day Moisture SPF 30, and the full-size unit here is the Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum, which, if you aren't new to the channel, you know that I've been ranting and raving about this particular vitamin C serum since I reviewed it here on my channel. I will link the video of that review up above in case you would like to have a look at it. So this particular set is perfect for the friend who needs resurfacing, brightening, and some antioxidant defense. As of the day I am filming this video, this is on sale at Sephora.com. And like I said, I may actually pick one of these up myself because I don't want to spoil this for anyone, but this may or this may not be my favorite serum of 2020. I do enjoy the Essential C cleanser. It's got some beads full of vitamin C, which will provide the skin with some antioxidant defense. And the Essential C Day Moisture is packed with antioxidants, shea butter, and it is an SPF of 30. It's got quite a luminous, dewy finish to the skin. So if you have dry, dull skin, this is an excellent SPF for you. The second set that caught my eye at Sephora is the Murad Best Face Forward. Now, this also has a $117 value. It was set to retail for $89 and it is now on sale for $62. Again, excuse my broken phone, but this is what the set looks like. Now, this set, I believe, was created specifically for the friend who is starting to show the signs of aging, or perhaps a friend who still suffers from breakouts or hormonal breakouts. Now, I have personally gifted my mother a few full-size units of the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. I have recently done a review on this particular product, so I will link her up above as well in case you would like to learn a little bit more about the serum. I personally have used this serum and I love this serum because it's not too drying. If you do experience some dryness or itchiness with your retinol based serums, I do recommend scaling back 1 or 2 nights use. It's always important that you listen to your skin when using a retinol based serum. Now let's chat about what else is included in this kit. So we see the Alpha AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser, which I love as well. There aren't a lot of exfoliating cleansers that my face can tolerate, but this is definitely one of them. It has very small exfoliating beads. It also has alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acid. So not only are you getting a very gentle physical exfoliation, you're also getting a chemical exfoliation there as well. And you also get a very small unit of the Vita-C Glycolic Brightening Serum, which we just discussed. And you also get Murad's Nutrient Charged Water Gel, which I love as well. She is my go-to for summertime use. So this is also a very, very good deal. Now on to kits that I actually have here. Another gift option is the Drunk Elephant Glowy Kit, which looks like this. I feel like Drunk Elephant always knocks it out of the park with their holiday kits. This particular kit is perfect for the friend who needs resurfacing, hydration, and moisture. Personally, my love for Drunk Elephant began with the purchase of a holiday kit. If you have yet to experience this results-driven skincare brand, do yourself a favor and pick up a Drunk Elephant holiday kit that targets your main skincare concerns. Trust me, you will be upgrading to a full-size unit before the mini or the midi size even runs out. This particular kit contains a full-size TLC Framboos Glycolic Acid Overnight Serum that resurfaces the skin and gives it a glow. We also see a Best Jelly Cleanser, which I truly, truly love. It is a gentle cleanser that lathers beautifully without drying the skin. We also see F-Balm, which I have been ranting and raving about in my last couple of videos because she is one of my favorite winter weather products. We also see the Erase Milky Micellar Water, which I have tried to play with it, but it's just not something I've been reaching for. I did take the Erase Milky Micellar Water unit out of this particular box so that I could use it, but I don't find myself reaching for it at all. I'm not sure if I'm just over the micellar water or if I'm just really into balmy cleansers at the moment. I don't know. But you also see a mini Lala Retro Whipped Cream, which is perfect. You see ceramides in there, which are really great skin replenishing ingredients. Next up, we have the Pharmacy House of Gold Hydrating Honey Best Sellers. Now, this is perfect for the friend who is currently dealing with breakouts, who needs some antioxidant defense and intense moisture. This acid blend targets breakouts while also resurfacing the skin. She's packed with antioxidants and hyaluronic acid. I did do a review on Honeymoon Glow as well. We also see a mini of the Honey Halo, which I love for drier, colder months. I did do a review on this product, so I will link it up above as well. This is a more recent product launch for a pharmacy, which I really, really enjoyed testing. Just like Lala Retro, this too contains ceramides, and in case you didn't know, as soon as we hit our 30s, our ceramide levels tend to break down and minimize by 10 to 15% every decade. However, topical application of ceramides replenish the damaged ceramides. It's definitely a great idea to implement the use of ceramides in your skincare routine if you are concerned with the signs of aging or if you have a sensitive skin. The next kit I have to recommend is the Summer Fridays the Hydration Set, which looks like this. This is the bag, which I am obsessed with this color. If you want to see, my iPad is kind of the same color. They're not identical, but they're similar. So the Summer Fridays Hydration Gift Set contains a jet lag mask, the Lip Butter Balm, and the CC Me Serum. This set is perfect for the friend who needs some antioxidant defense, hydration, and lip moisture, and the cutest travel bag if you love mint colored things like me. This vitamin C serum is just that. She is loaded with antioxidants, squalane, and peptides. This will help to stimulate collagen synthesis, neutralize free radical damage, and give the skin a bit of a glow. I am in the middle of testing this particular product, so if you would like to see a review on this, stay tuned. My favorite part of this kit is definitely the Lip Butter Balm. My lips have been incredibly dry this season, so I have found myself reaching for this so much. This is literally the first thing I opened from this entire kit, the lip balm. We have the jet lag mask. She does have niacinamide included in here, which will help to minimize the signs of aging, work on pore size, and minimize transepidermal water loss. Then we have the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench full-size hydration haul. This is for, you know, your sensitive skinned friend who needs hydration, soothing, and plumping. It is no secret that I love the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench range. It is free of drying alcohols and fragrance, making it the perfect range for my sensitive skinned pals. I do reach for the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer when temperatures start to rise. I do follow my retinol youth renewal serum with the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Serum to further plump and hydrate the skin and to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and that dry feeling that is often associated with the use of retinol. Now, the eye cream. The eye cream has been my go-to since I got this kit in the mail. I just love how it hydrates and plumps the skin, and it just refreshes the eyes overnight. It literally gives me hydrogel patches results in the form of an eye cream. So let me know if you'll be gifting any of these to a close friend or a family member or yourself in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there is a brand new upload. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Hello and welcome. Take 3. How about that? Take 3. Renewal surfacing. What? Hair range, do yourself a